FSI Italian, Unit 12. Listen to the following sound and repeat. Frame 2. Because the vowel you just heard sounds somewhat like the first vowel sound heard in the English word 70, what is the name we have given it? The answer is vowel 70. Remember that vowel 70 is an open vowel. Keep your mouth relatively open throughout the production of the sound. Now listen to the following new sound. The vowel you just heard differs from vowel 70 in several ways. One difference has to do with the relative openness of the mouth. The mouth is open more for vowel 70 than for this vowel. As a matter of fact, the position of the mouth should be the same for this new vowel as it is for vowel 3. Listen to both of these vowels. This new vowel you have been hearing should remind you a little of the vowel sound heard in the English word 8, though the Italian vowel is somewhat shorter. It is pronounced with the mouth relatively closed and pulled back tightly. We shall refer to this vowel from now on as vowel 8. It is always represented by the letter E. Listen carefully, but do not repeat. Listen to the following English words. Lay, way, bay. Notice that they all rhyme. Lay, way, bay. The Italian, hearing these words, would represent what he hears as follows. Lay, way, bay. In other words, what the Italian hears in these English utterances is vowel 8 followed by the semivowel shown. Listen again and repeat. Lay, way, bay. If, from these utterances, one were to drop the semivowel, they would all end in vowel 8, and as Italian syllables, they would then be represented in Italian as le, we, be. The important thing to remember in pronouncing vowel 8 in Italian is that the mouth should be in a closed and retracted position to begin with, and that this grinning position should be maintained throughout the production of the sound. Even the slightest relaxing of the lips during the production of the sound can convey to the Italian that you are saying a instead of a. Repeat the following utterances as presented. Notice that you will be alternating between e and a, le, lay, we, way, be, bay. Frame 15. Now you will be given some of the 6 utterances of frame 14. Write what an Italian would write for each utterance. Be, we, lay, we, bay. For frame 15, you should have written be, we, lay, we, bay. Frame 17. Here are 5 more examples. Write what an Italian would write for each utterance. Le, way, way, be, le, For frame 17, you should have written le, way, be, le. Frame 19. Now try this test involving 15 utterances. Write what an Italian would write for each utterance. Lei, way, be, we, le, we, be, le, we, be, way, lay. For frame 19, you should have written lay, way, be, way, lay, way, be, lay, way, be, way, lay. If, out of the 15 utterances, you got fewer than 11 correct, you should return to frame 11 and review from there until you do get more than 10 correct. Then proceed with frame 21. If, out of the 15 utterances, you got more than 10 correct, proceed with frame 21. Conventional Italian spelling does not differentiate between vowel 70 and vowel 8. Both are represented by the letter E. Thus,
pesca,
which is the word for peach, and
pesca,
which is the word for fishing or load of fish, are both normally represented as P-E-S-C-A. As can be seen from the preceding example, the difference between vowel 70 and vowel 8 is important when it is related to a difference in the meanings of words. It has been found, however, that such is the case with these two vowels only when they appear in the stressed position of a word. In unstressed positions, it is not important to make a clear distinction between the two vowel sounds, and in the unstressed positions, either vowel 8 or a vowel somewhat intermediate in quality between vowel 70 and vowel 8 is, for all practical purposes, perfectly acceptable. Even in the stressed position of a word, however, not all speakers, whether educated or not, conform to the dictionary pronunciation of words with vowel 70 or vowel 8. Thus, although the dictionary pronunciation of the word for fishing is
pesca,
some speakers do say
pesca.
for fishing. These units will continue to make a distinction between stressed e and stressed e according to the dictionary pronunciation. The former will generally be represented as shown, and the latter as shown. In the few cases in which the Florentine and the Roman pronunciations differ, the symbol shown will be used to represent a Florentine e, but a Roman e for the same word.